There's a tradition, Hadith Qudsi, beautiful tradition. It says, Inna Allah Jameel. Yuhibbul, who knows? Yuhibbul Jamal. Allah is what? Jameel. Yuhibbul Jamal. Meaning Allah is beauty. Not Allah is beautiful. Allah is beauty. And He likes that which is beautiful. What does Sayyidina Zainab say? Did she say, Ma ra'aytu illa jamala? Inna Allah jameel. Yuhibbul jamal. What does Sayyidina Zainab say? Ma ra'aytu illa jamila. What does she say then? I saw nothing except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Everything that happened within the plains of Karbala was submission towards Allah. Every angle, every lens that I saw in Karbala, I saw nothing except Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's the power, the understanding, the depth of knowledge that this great lady was saying in that line that will forever be eternal and be put side by side with the name of Sayyidina Zainab. That she teaches us, on an ending note, when she says at 4 years of age to Imam Ali ibn Abi Talib, Oh Allah, how can this tongue that uttered the oneness of Allah utter other than its oneness? Teaching us that this heart of ours should not let anything in except Allah. But when we look in our own hearts, Allah says, He says, my skies cannot contain me, nor can my earth, but the heart of the believers can contain me. The hearts. Look at our hearts. Are we doing everything to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Or are we doing it for other means? Our hearts have love for wealth, for power, for position, for the opposite gender. So many things contained within this heart. See me, for example, sitting on this particular pulpit. I want to satisfy the audience. I want to satisfy the lecture. I want to satisfy Abdullah. I want to satisfy Sayyidina Zainab. But in turn, at the end of the night, I should only be seeking to do what I do to satisfy Allah. Because Allah's rida is the rida of Ahlul Bayt. Rida Allah ridana Ahlul Bayt. If you satisfy Allah, you're satisfying the right people. Only thing that needs to be in my heart is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why you see, when you try to aim and go towards that which you think is beauty and love, it has many faces. But it's only trying to get you towards the ultimate beauty, the ultimate love, which is Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. You may think that it's wealth and you'll run after wealth. You're not satisfied. You may think it's power, you run after power, you're not satisfied. You may think it's a position, you get a higher and higher and higher position. There's no higher. Not satisfied. You can't feel love. You can't taste that connection. Because you're drinking from a very salty water. You want more and more, and you will never be quenched, lest you drink from the pure water, which is the love of Allah.